Hi everyone, so today we will be doing math level 3. I'm going to call out your name, and if I call out your name, you're in the right place. If I didn't, go ahead and look for another YouTube video because you're in the wrong page. So Ezequiel, Juan, Javier, Catherine, and Adrina, you're here, you're in the right place. So let's begin. So today we will be doing lesson Activity 1, pages 127 and page 128. So we're going to learn about greater than, less than, and equal to. So remember, we went over this last week also. So 5 is what then 4? 5 is a bigger number, right? So 5 is greater than 4. So your sign, the greater number, is always going to have a big opening. And the little number is going to have the little side. So always remember that. So 5 and 8, which is your greater number? The 8. So the big opening will be pointing to the 8, and the small one will be pointing to the 5. So let's get started. So number 1, count the strawberries. How many are there? So you're going to count them and circle your answer. Number 2, I picked 1 strawberry first and 7 strawberries next. How many strawberries did I pick all together? So you have 1 here and 7 here. So it's 1 plus 7 and your answer. Remember the symbols for number 3. Fill in the missing symbol. 4 is what then number 6? Is 4 greater than or less than number 6? Question number 4. Make a set of strawberries in the basket. So you have to make a set of 6 strawberries. And then number 5. What is missing from the pattern ABAB? So you have strawberries, sunflower, and what goes next? Circle your answer. Once you are finished, please upload your work to Teams or send it to your teacher and they will upload it for you. If you have any questions, please let your teacher know. Let's get started.